Hey viewers, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel Samiullah Khan 92. Today came with a new video. This remote I found. This is universal remote. It's one remote work on 1000 split air conditions. It's amazing to see that one remote work on 1000 split air conditions. When I found this, because so many people lost their remotes of split AC, maybe LG, Samsung, or any other company remote. If you can't found in the market, then you have to go for this. This is the universal remote. You can easily purchase in any place, and it's not more expensive. It's available in the same price of other remotes in the market. This remote is working on almost 1000 air condition. This is a universal remote. Let's see how this remote will work. You can see this universal AC remote. uh, it's made in China. This is made by China, and you can see here how many these all the names of the ACs this unit will work. This remote is working on the ACs. I'll give you this in the video also, and in the descriptions which AC on which AC it will work. Let's see how to set the your AC on this universal remote. Let us open this. So after opening, you can see this remote is like this. There is a on off button, cool, heat, this cool button, this fan heat, mode of the AC, swing button, swing of or top swing, four swing. This work on four swing AC also. This is for temperature increase and decrease. So let's open our remote. We can open this. You can see this showing us if you adjust the mode you can adjust from here which mode you want, cooling mode or anything, or heater mode. This when you set the your AC, if you want to set on any AC, you can press this set button. You can press this set button. You see it will show you codes. This code is blinking now. Here this is blinking now. You can adjust these codes by pressing up and down button. You can see 1, code 2, code 03, code 04, code 05, like this. At the end, this you see 999, up to 999 codes. This remote will work on 999 ACs. So you can press this button. After pressing set, you can press this like this. When the code will going, you're in front of AC, in front of your AC, you work like this. When your split AC PCB is bring beep, it will make a beep sound. You can press your set button. You can press your set button, then that is your code. You must remember your code next time. For the next time, if you lost your code and setting, you can easily, you know your code. Maybe I know my code is 10. I'll press set and then go to number 10 and set my AC. Well, see, this is 10, 14, 13, 12. I go to number 10 and press OK. So my AC will be working. So this is the remote of universal. This is a universal AC remote. It's available in the market. You can easily purchase this and use this AC and use this remote if you lost your remote. Better to keep save your remote. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel. If you didn't subscribe my channel yet, kindly subscribe my channel for next videos. In the next video, I'll also share how this remote will work on the AC. Thanks for watching.